What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we will be looking at instance fields inside of classes. Now, our last video was printing an instance store which looked like a random memory address. The first part, stores, refers to the class, and the second part, the at something, refers to the computer's memory. We don't care about the memory location, but our instances have no other characteristics. When an object is created, the constructor sets the initial state of the object. The state is made up of the associated data that represents the characteristics of an object. We'll add data to an object by introducing instance variables or instance fields. Now we want car instances of different colors, so we'll declare a string called color and as an instance field. Oftentimes, instance variables are described as a has a relationship. For example, a car has a color. Another way to think of this is that instance variables are nouns and adjectives associated with an object. What qualities other than color might a car have? So you have the constructor right here, you have the main method right here, and then this is the instance field, essentially the state, and the declaration is within the class, and the instance variable will be available for assignment inside the constructor. Fields are a type of state each instance will possess. One instance might have a red as a color, another blue, etc. It's job of the constructor to give these instance fields an initial value. We'll learn how to do this in the next video. Okay, now for our exercise, we have to add a state to our class, our story class, and declare a string instance field for product type. Okay, so we'll just simply go here and we'll do string product type, and that should be it. Perfect. And now in the next video, we'll be learning how to change this out, because this looks nasty. But yeah, in the next video, we'll be learning about the constructor parameters, which we will be using quite frequently. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.